How to add a logo to your invoices in QuickBooks. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now this is actually going to be very simple yet very powerful for our QuickBooks. And we can just do it so that it is a template from now on, and whenever you create an invoice, it's just going to include your logo from that point moving forward. So let's just go ahead and get to it and show you how to do so. So first, just go ahead and log into your QuickBooks account and go to the main dashboard, as you can see. And then from this place, you just want to go to the settings bar on the top right. So just go ahead and click on this gear icon. And then from here, there's just going to show you many different tools and options to choose from. The one that we actually want is from within the Your Company section. You should find something like custom form styles. It may be different for you, but it should say something along the lines of custom form styles. So if you see this or something similar, just go ahead and click on that. And then once this opens up, we basically want to create a new style for invoices. So here you can find all the styles that you have created for your forms and the type of forms that you have. But we just want to create a new one because we don't have any for the time being. So just go and click on new style on the top right, and then it will show you the type of form that you want to create a new style for. So invoices, estimates, sales, receipts, and so on. So in our case, it's going to be for invoices. So I'm just going to select invoice. And then from here, we can just go ahead and start designing it. Now for this video, we just want to add a logo. So we just want to go to the second option on the left panel. As you can see, we have dive in with a template, add your unique logo, splash on some color and so on. But we want the second one, which is add your unique logo. Now it is recommended that it is JPEG and it is square shaped, not necessarily the dimensions. Nothing is stated. Just make sure it is square shaped, and most likely than not, you should be good to go. So just go ahead and click on add your logo, and just click on that one more time to add your logo. And then you would want to click on this plus icon to actually upload your logo from your computer. So in this case, I'm just going to select this one. It is not our logo. I'm just going to be using it as an example. And it's not even square shaped, so it's not going to be perfect. But I'm just going to be using it as an example here. So just go ahead and click on it, and it should just upload it to your QuickBooks account. And now you can just simply go for it and pick it. Once it is highlighted in green, just go ahead and click on save. And just give it a little bit of time. And you can see now we have our logo set up on our invoice at the top right. So here we have a few things. We have the size, so we can actually make it medium, small, or large. We can feel free to hide logo. And we can also change the placement for it. So whether you want it to be in the center, whether you want it to be on the right side, or the left, it's completely up to you. And once you're done with this, if you want to add anything else to it, you can feel free to do so. If not, you can just go and click on done, and you should be good to go. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.